Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be telling you about the new Lego set that was just announced. We have the new Disney Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse Buildable Character Set, number 43179. Now remember, it all started with the mouse. The new Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse build will give Disney fans a true sense of DIY and nostalgia. The set comes with both Mickey and Minnie, alongside with key accessories like an antique camera and tripod, guitar, a photo album featuring all of their adventures, a bouquet of daisies, and they both stand on top of film strips with their iconic signatures. The new Disney Mickey and Minnie build will be on sale August 1st, 2020, but available for pre-order on July 1. That's going to be $179.99. This collection features two large-scale figures standing just over 1 foot tall. Mickey is 14 inches or 36 centimeters and Minnie is 13 inches or 35 centimeters. The Mickey and Minnie build is 1,739 pieces. It requires no batteries and will provide quality build time as a team or give you some relaxing alone time as you build the most recognizable couple in pop culture history. While building, along the way, enjoy a coffee table style book of instructions featuring stories and historical facts to share while you show off your build. Other builds you may enjoy are maybe the Steamboat Willie set that features Mickey and Minnie Lego minifigures, and true to their first film, this whole set is in black and white, or you can add some friends to the background of the Mickey and Minnie set with some Lego brickheads. We have new Donald Duck and the Goofy and Pluto sets. However, I really do think the Disney Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse Buildable Characters set look pretty amazing standing alone by themselves. What do you think? Will you be getting this set? Who else should be added to this collection? I would love to see Homer and Marge Simpson as two standalone figures next. I think there is something here with these awesome buildable characters. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. Leave a comment below with your comments and answer my questions. And if you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also follow me on TikTok at ToyMom and on Twitter at PlayLiveRepeat. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Lego for sharing this news so I can share it with you. Have a great day.